Okay, time to reverse mortgage your house and put it all on crypto.
Are you stupid or something?
On a serious note, here are my thoughts on crypto. So crypto is kind of a lagging asset behind the stock market. So when the market started to crash around November of 2021 and go into our recession of 2022, it was really about a year and a half period. So November of 21 through about March of 23, we had this downturn. And with that, crypto followed suit. Well, now you flip that equation, we're starting to see the market really take off. In fact, the S&P 500 as of December is up almost 20%, and then the NASDAQ is up about 45%. So it's been a really impressive year. Well, guess what? Crypto is starting to follow suit, and I'm seeing a lot of people invest in coins that could be a bit risky. So I wanted to give you a little context here on maybe something else to invest in and to kind of play it safe if you do invest in crypto. So we'll take a step back here and go back a few years. In fact, we're going back to the 1800s. So in the 1850s in the United States, there was the gold rush. Everybody was moving west to California to make their fortune. A lot of these people that were mining for gold actually did not get rich. The people who did get rich were the people supplying tools to those who were miners. So for example, anybody selling pickaxes, shovels, and even Levi Jeans was a company that came out at the time as a better pant solution, a more durable pant solution than I think these people were wearing khakis, which would fall apart in like 2 weeks. But anyway, those companies that supplied the tools to support the trend are the ones that actually made a lot of money. So what I'm looking at are a list of stocks, including PayPal, Block or Square, Coinbase, and a few others. I invest in PayPal, and I like businesses that have multiple streams of revenue, including streams of revenue that make money off crypto trading. So this is a little safer play than going all in on one crypto coin, because businesses, especially well-diversified businesses, have, again, multiple streams of revenue. So just something to think about. If you want to invest in crypto, maybe look at companies that support the trend and are not the trend itself. But if you want to put all your money on Doja coins, you can go buy that new Tesla S Plaid.
May the odds be ever in your favor.
If you want to find some strong stocks to consider investing in and avoid some weak stocks that can lose you money, and at the same time, keep track of crypto, I invite you to join Tykr for free. However, I can deliver that better. Put all your money on Doja coin.